Hi, I'm Mrs. Bartling. I'm a second year teacher here in the Iowa Falls Alden School District. I also teach at the high school and I am the FFA advisor here at our school district. Our exploratory rotation for 8th grade agriculture is built on exploring a lot of the different areas. Agriculture has a lot of different career paths, from animal science to plant science to mechanical science, as well as leadership and communications. So in the 8th grade, we try to touch on all of those different areas to be able to give students an idea of the different courses that they could take at the high school. So our units will have work development units that cover careers that they might have interests or skills that match. We'll be talking about FFA leadership and the development of agriculture in Iowa, plant science, animal science, food processing, and some ag mechanics concepts. I've just gotten some new curriculum this year, and I'm super excited to be able to use that with this batch of 8th graders to see how it works and what they think of it. Students in my classroom are graded based on projects that create learning artifacts and physical projects, as well as some written work and some tests. We do have a Google Classroom that you are welcome to look at any time. Please let me know if you want me to invite you in so that you can see what your student is turning in or not turning in. I take the grades from the Google Classroom and put them in PowerSchools towards the end of the 8 weeks so that students have the ability to reassess and see where they're at. We also want you to know that your student is graded on standards that come from the Iowa Ag Food Natural Resource as well as the Career Readiness Content standard areas. Students in 8th grade are eligible to participate in FFA if they would like to. If you have any questions about either FFA or how your student's doing in my classroom at the junior high, I hope that you'll feel free to reach out either by email or to call me at the school. Thanks for sharing your student with me.